If the goat does not like it, then I would think not. Contain yourself. So fucking unhelpful. Wow. I'll just be over here doing everything.
Okay. Like everyone else in my life.
Yep. Clean up your fucking messes. Dealing with your fucking problems. God, I hate your problems. I'm sure you have problems all the time. My life's just a giant problem. I make Brooke solve my problems. That's what I do. Fucking sore.
I don't know why you're so obsessed with this puzzle thing.
I just want to do the edges. Don't think that's so much to ask. What do you think, edges? Is that so much to ask? No, Jenny, they said they don't think it's so much to ask.
Did you call me?
I hate you.
Did you call me a stupid pussy?
You are so bad at hearing.
I know.
You are not good at hearing with your words. Use your words for hearing. Just do more hearing. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. No. I'm okay. I have to go. Calm down now. You're getting obnoxious.
I know.
Fuck. You can't drink anymore
No.
when you're alive, okay? No more drinking until you're not alive.
I'm gonna be not alive longer than I have been alive.
I know you're
That's
gonna be
what
dead
we
for
do,
like
right?
almost ever. You're only alive for a little bit and then you're dead for like ever. The thing about death, I guess, is fucking final. Deep, man. Insightful. Sharing things with you here. Why can't I find the blue bit where the taupe and the blue get
Because
all
it walked away.
blopey? Blope! That's what bluish taupe is. It's a blope.
Blope.
Blopey.
Blimey.
No, that's not the same thing. Oh, blimey, it's blopey. You wanna paint our living room blope? No, everybody hates blope. Interesting.
Nope.
Oh, Jenny.
Yeah?
We're so fucked. Look at this puzzle. We're so fucked. I don't even know where we go from here. I don't know much, but I know that I love you. And that maybe